full FDA approval could spur more Americans to get vaccinated, some for unexpected reasons. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joining us now this Monday afternoon. And Dr. Nandi, we know more than 30% of the U.S. population that's eligible to get vaccinated has not rolled up their sleeves yet. So do you think full approval of Pfizer's vaccine could change that?
Yeah, it's a big number of people that haven't. Yeah, and I'm very hopeful, Glenda, that the full FDA approval rather, for any COVID-19 vaccine will lead to more people getting vaccinated. Some of my patients, in fact, have told me that they're hesitant to get the vaccine. Why? Because they don't want to be guinea pigs. And I get that, right? But that's why we have clinical trials with volunteers in order to apply for the emergency use authorization. Now, what Pfizer had to do, Glenda, is that had to provide roughly 3 months of clinical data, which shows some safety data in it as well. That's because most side effects happen in the first 2 to 3 months. When applying for full FDA approval, Pfizer has to provide data that comes directly from the real world. And there's plenty of that so far. Why? Because there have been over 198 million doses, a lot of doses of Pfizer's vaccine administered to Americans. On top of that, millions of other doses have been administered to 111 other countries. So we have a lot of information for the Pfizer vaccine. So, when people say this is experimental, we are well beyond the experimental stage, in my opinion. There's plenty of data that shows overall the vaccines are not dangerous, they're safe, and they're effective, and they protect against severe illness, as we've talked about, hospitalization and death. So hopefully that'll be enough for the people who are reluctant or concerned to roll up their sleeves and get the shots and get vaccinated.
So full approval by the FDA could lead to more Americans getting these shots, but some of them might be getting them for unexpected reasons. Please tell us about that, Doc.
Sure. For some people, Glenda, they may have to get the vaccine because of their financial situation, their job situation. Now, according to the U.S. one more time, U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, workplaces have the legal authority to mandate fully approved COVID-19 vaccine. So if a person's workplace says, hey, you know what, everyone is safer if we're all vaccinated, then some folks may have to get the shots because of that to keep their job or apply for a new job. One thing I really want to stress is that the FDA is working extremely hard to get working on the approval for the Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. That doesn't mean they're going to rush the process, right? Or they're not going to cut corners. The FDA's approval is the gold standard, one of the most trusted in the world. It's a highly respected regulatory agency. All eyes are on them, and I'll tell you, they're not going to screw this up by trying to rush it. So I think when and if they fully approve this, the COVID-19 vaccine, that'll mean a lot. And hopefully it'll be enough for people to say, okay, I'm going to get the vaccine, which is going to help the whole community, in my opinion.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you so much.